Hi folks, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Code for Life YouTube channel. This is Learn Python in Swahili. Yeah, today we have quiz 2 review. Tunakwenda kufanya review ya quiz 2 as we are already doing this. So let us review this quiz. Oh, good. Yeah, that is Pi chapter quiz 2. Come to response. Okay, good. We have 11 response up to 2. This is 2 days. 2 day quiz alafu na response 11. It's not good, but it's not bad at all. I didn't expect it kama tutakuwa na watu 11 kuweza kuparticipate in this quiz. Yeah, that is good actually. Let's going to review moja kwa moja. This question reviewing. Yeah, average ni 4, median ni 4. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. You're going to miss the question. Question ya kwanza, question ya tatu, question ya 8, question ya 9, question ya 10. I'll have a lot of question ambazo zimekoswa sana. Yeah, good. It's not bad at all. Let me going to individual and then make this correction. Yeah, Python. Yeah, that is first one. First questions. Print, John. Yeah, this is one very complicated, but you just have a concept. Concept is the string na yeah, that is concept za string uweze kujua how strings work katika Python. And that is how this question is gonna be. Yeah, this one. What the output of the following? Yeah, this is an error. You get type error. Kwa nini utapata type error? Kwa sababu you won't be able to sort complex number. One ya J ni complex number. So we have a numbers and a complex number. We can't doing any kind of comparisons between numbers na complex number. So this is gonna get type error. Yeah, actually you're gonna get type error. Choose the correct functions to get ASCII code, American Standard Code Integrated Interchange. Yeah, good. This yeah, we use ORD. We use ORD. Kwa sababu gani? Kuweza kupata American Standard Code Integrated Interchange, we don't use hiyo hatumii ambayo watu wengi wamejibu ya chini ASCII, tunatumia ORD kwa sababu we already talking kwamba tunafanya Unicode kwenye Python. So that is how we get code ya any character in a Python. Unapata kwa kutumia this one. Kwa hiyo unaweka ORD yako and then within unatia either double quote and then unaweka character yako, then utapata what the ASCII code yake. Guess the correct output of the following. Yeah, that is it's all about string and it's all about slash. So if you are good in slash, you're gonna get it. Yeah, the answer is this one. Kwa sababu slash ya kwanza ni 1 up to 4, kwa hiyo tutapata YNA, na slash ya pili ni from 0 up to 5, kwa hiyo tutapata PYNAT, na from 4 up to the rest, kwa hiyo tutapata up to 4, it means ni T, kwa hiyo TIVE, na then from 0 up to -1, kwa hiyo tuta escape the last character ambayo ni E, kwa hiyo tutatoka from 1 up to E ambayo itakuwa ni P up to V, and the last one yeah, from those but we don't need to have which one? We don't need to have which one? Yeah, we don't need to have -1. This is the last, the same na hii ya mwanzo kwamba from 0 up to -1 na from 0 up to -1. That is how these things work. Yeah. 5, correct the outputs of following. Yeah, welcome and then native. Yeah, this is kuna space in between, na hii watu hawaja consider hii space kwamba tumeconcatenate, lakini pi native ya pili ina space up to mwanzo, kwa hiyo itatoka welcome ambayo haitotoka welcome yote kwa sababu tumeenda ku slash up to 6. Kwa ukiangalia itakuwa ni WELCOM, and then tutapata na pinative. Kwa hiyo kutoka kuna com space pinative, something like that. Select the correct output of the following. Yeah, this one ilikuwa ni true kwa sababu katika string yangu nikienda ku access first index, maana yake nakwenda ku access nini? Nakwenda ku access pinative. Ndio, I'm sorry. So yeah, first index maana yake 01, second index hiyo au second position, sorry. Kwa hiyo nitapata pinative. So pinative na string yangu ni pinative, kwa hiyo itakuwa ni true, and that's one pinative is. Kwa hiyo katika string yangu ya pinative imo string ya pinative, that is true also. Yeah, kwenye string yangu ya pinative imo pinative. Yeah, this is true also. Yeah, and then feedback is here. The equal operators return true if both operations are equal. The operators return true. True if the both variables point to the same object in the memory. So why is it return false? This one watu wamekosa. Yeah, this is concept ya tuple. So la 7 watu wamejibu hii ya pili. It's not type error, wamejibu hii ya pili. Answer ilikuwa ni type error kwa sababu hatuwezi kufanya assignment kwenye tuple. And if uta return kwenye hiyo topic ya tuple, utakuta hicho kitu tumekizungumzia mwanzo kabisa. Hauwezi ka change tuple once it is assigned. Kwa hiyo that is type error. Yeah, a tuple is immutable. Yeah, it cannot be changed while it is assigned. Once a tuple is created, you cannot change its value. If you try to change its value, you will receive the type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. That is, and this one watu wengi nimewapiga hapa kwa sababu wao wameona kwa kuwa variable nimeita tuple, and then wakasema jawabu itakuwa ni tuple. Someone ambaye yuko very brilliant amepata 8 kwenye this quiz, lakini swali hili nimemuokota. Why nimemuokota? Kwa sababu ameona variable kwa ni tuple, and then ndani imeweka bracket, and then kati ya orange akazania string hii type itakuwa ni tuple. This is not tuple, this is string. This is string. Why string? Tuple, it means in a collection of character, and then collection of value, and then I have a one value. This one value cannot be tuple. Hii ni one value, orange ni one value. Hakuna comma kuseparate kwamba na more than one value. If nitakuwa na more than one value ndio nitakuwa nime create a tuple, lakini right now na one value, this is mean string. Kwa hiyo the answer always ilikuwa ni string, not a tuple. So alojibu tuple hapo nimempiga. Yeah, this one ilikuwa very complicated. Watu wengine wamejibu moja, kwa hiyo ukijibu moja na assignment ni wrong. You just understanding the concepts of tuple. Tuple is maintaining order item. This is sequential list. Tuple, string, list yenyewe ni sequential. Tutakuja kuangalia set na dictionary. I think this is sio sequential, ni unordered. Hizo ni unordered. Tutakuja kuangalia set na wengine. Kwa hiyo we cannot change the tuple once it's created, na hiyo juu tuple na maintain order of an item. Now the last one, 10th question, is about tuple. Yeah, we cannot remove item from the tuple, and we cannot update item from the tuple. This was an answer. And then was do you enjoy the quiz? Feedback, learn how to code is worthwhile in this world, so keep coding. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you all ambao wameparticipate in this quiz. Yeah, it was awesome, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. It's me, Juma Mohamed Juma.